Why can't they be consistent?
Yeah, what's with the barbecue? It's not consistent. Look at these big flames in here in the front. In the back, whoa. You see how big? In the back, there's barely any flames in there. That's...
So you can't use half the barbecuer because it's so
Or
high.
maybe because you're like using sugar water. I mean, also known as barbecue sauce.
No.
Whoa.
Because the flame?
Yeah,
no.
you should put like... You should mix it. Switch it around. Switcheroo.
Speaking.
It's still gonna be fine.